Imagine waking up and finding an entire village vanished into thin air. In the northern mountains of Pakistan, there's a place called वाला गाँव. लोग कहते हैं, ये गाँव सिर्फ रात को जिंदा होता है, children laughing, elders sipping chai. But as soon as the sun rises, पूरा गाँव गायब हो जाता है. No houses, no people, just empty fields. Governments sent teams, satellites watched the spot. Magar har suba, nothing but silence. Is this a time loop, a jinn town, or something the world wants to hide? कुछ लोग कहते हैं, ये गांव दुनिया के नक्शे पर नहीं. Some say it's between sleep and reality. And the last person who visited, he only said, वहाँ वक्त रखता नहीं, पलटता है. Would you dare to visit वाला गाँव? Subscribe for more mysteries.